Good morning children, I am Shanti. Today we are going to solve exercise 8.2 problems. In the first one, a man got 10% increase in his salary. If his new salary is rupees 1,54,000, find his original salary. Children, after increasing 10% salary, his salary was 1,54,000. Before, it was how much we have to find. Solution, increasing the salary is 10%. New salary is rupees 1,54,000 they said. Let the original salary is equal to rupees 100. How to find it in easy way it is, let us consider the original salary as rupees 100. Then after 10% increase, new salary will be 100 plus 10 which is equal to 110. Is it? If 10% increase, 100 plus 10 is 110 it will become. Then if new salary is rupees 110, then original salary is rupees 100 it has become. If new salary is rupee 1, then original salary is equal to 100 by 110. Means here to find only one children, many to 1 we are dividing. Okay. Now next we will multiply. Means 1 to many we can multiply. One more time. If new salary is rupee 1, then original salary is equal to 100 divided by 110. If new salary is rupees 1,54,000, then original salary is equal to 100 by 110 into 1,54,000. 0 0 strike out. 11 ones are here, 11 ones are 4 will remain. 11 4s are 44. 0 0. 100 into 1,400 gives 1,40,000. Means before his salary was 1,40,000. Okay. Next question. On Sunday, 845 people went to the zoo. Okay. On Sunday, how many people went? 845 members. On Monday, only 169 people went. Okay. What is the percent decrease in the people visiting the zoo on Monday? What percentage decrease in children we have to find in this question? Solution. Number of people went to zoo on Sunday is equal to 845. Number of people went to zoo on Monday is equal to 169. It is a given data. Okay. Decrease in the number of people is equal to 845 minus 169, which is equal to 676. Percentage decrease is equal to 676 divided by 845 into 100. Here children, 5 2s are 10, 0, 5 1s are 5, 5 6s are 30, 5 9s are 45. And then 169 1s are 169 4s are I strike out. Then 4 into 20 remain, which is equal to 80%. Therefore, percent decrease in the people visiting the zoo on Monday is equal to 80%. Next question, children. A shopkeeper buys 80 articles for rupees 2,400 and sells them for a profit of 16%. Find the selling price of one article. Solution. Cost price of 80 articles is equal to rupees 2,400 they have given. Profit is equal to 16% they said. 16% of 2,400 children. 16% of 2,400 means 16 by 100 into 2,400. Strike out 0 0 0 0. Okay. 16 into 24 will remain, which gives 384. Okay. Therefore, selling price of 80 articles is equal to 2,400 plus 384. What we got here? Profit children. Along with the given data, we have to add this. Means cost price plus the profit, which is equal to 2,784. Therefore, selling price of one article is equal to. Children, if you want one, okay, 1 to many means we will multiply. Many to 1 means we have to divide. Then 2,784 divided by 80. If you strike out children, you will get 34.80 means 34 rupees 80 paise. How we will get? Observe here. 83 is 240. 384 means next term we will take down, and 84 is 320. Next 0. 88 is 640. Rupees means children 2 decimal places, is it? Then I took another extra 0. Okay. 34.80. Therefore, selling price of one article is equal to rupees 34.80. Next question. The cost of an article is rupees 15,500 they said. Rupees 450 was spent on its repair. Children, one article cost 15,500. 450 repair cost it has become. If it is sold for a profit of 15%, after this also they sold it for 15% profit. Find the selling price of the article. Solution. Cost price of article is 15,500. They give repairing cost to rupees 450. Okay, it is not in percentage, directly amount only they have given. Therefore, total cost price is equal to rupees 15,500 plus 450, which is equal to 15,950. Profit is equal to 15%, they said. 15% of 15,950. Then 15 by 100 into 15,950, we have to do 0, 0 strike out. Here 10 means to the 1 place I can shift. Then it will become 1.5 into 1,595, which gives 2,392.50. This much profit. Okay. Therefore, selling price of article is equal to cost price plus profit, which is equal to what is the cost price, write down, and how much profit you got, right, and then add it, which gives 18,342.50. Next question, children. A VCR and TV were bought for rupees 8,000 each. Means VCR cost also 8,000, TV cost also 8,000, children. The shopkeeper made a loss of 4% on the VCR. 4% loss on VCR and a profit of 8% on the TV. Here loss, it is profit. Okay. Find the gain or loss percent on the whole transaction. After complete transaction, whether it is profit or loss, we have to find. Okay. Solution. Cost price of VCR is equal to rupees 8,000. Loss is equal to 4%, they said. Okay. Then 4% of 8,000 is children 4 by 100 into 8,000. 0, 0 strike out. Okay. 4 into 80 will remain. 4 into 80 gives 320. Means loss is rupees 320. Selling price of VCR is equal to cost price minus loss. Children, actually loss is equal to cost price minus selling price, is it? When you transpose these two, selling price will be equal to cost price, there only it will be, loss will become minus loss. Okay. Selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. Then rupees 8,000 minus 320 gives rupees 7,680. Okay. Next one more is in that cost price of TV they give rupees 8,000, profit 8%. 8% of 8,000 means 8 by 100 into 8,000. Strike out 0, 0, 0, 0 here. 8 into 80 will remain. 88 is 640. Means profit is rupees 640. Selling price of TV is equal to cost price plus profit. 8,000 plus 640, which gives rupees 8,640. Okay. Now, total cost price of TV and VCR, 8,000 plus 8,000, which is equal to 16,000. Total selling price of TV and VCR, 8,640 plus 7,680, which is equal to 16,320. Therefore, profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, which is equal to 16,320 minus 16,000, okay, which is equal to rupees 320. You got profit now. We have to find profit percent. You know the formula, children? Profit percent is equal to profit by cost price into 100. Then substitute all the values here. Profit is 320. Cost price is 16,000 into 100. 0, 0, 0, 0 strike out. 160 ones are 160 twos are. Then profit percent is 2. That is 2%. Next question, children. During the sale, a shop offered a discount of 10% on the market prices of all the items. Okay, on each item they given 10% discount, children. What would a customer have to pay for a pair of jeans? Means here 2 jeans, okay, marked at rupees 1,450 and 2 shirts marked at rupees 850 each. It is for 2 sets, okay. This is one, okay, it is only for one, rupees 850 they gave. Solution. Market price of pair of jeans is equal to rupees 1,450 they given. Market price of one shirt is equal to 850 they gave. Then market price of 2 shirts is equal to rupees 850 into 2. 850 into 2 gives 1,700. Therefore, total price is equal to rupees 1,450 for jeans and for 2 shirts, okay. 1,700, which is equal to rupees 3,150. Discount offered is equal to 10% they give. 10% of rupees 3,150, children. Then 10 by 100 into 3,150. 0, 0. Here 0, 0. We can strike out. Okay. Means 0 strike out and 0 strike out. You will get only 315. Rupees 315. Therefore, net amount customer has to pay is equal to rupees 3150 minus this amount they can subtract. Okay, which gives 2835. Net amount customer has to pay is equal to rupees 2835.